Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and that you have a Mac or PC with a trusted spoofing tool. Once done, enable airplane mode briefly, then turn Wi-Fi on so the spoofed network reads correctly. Make sure location services is accessible in settings so the app can change the reported GPS. You do this because modern iOS ties location signals to both Wi-Fi and system permissions, so both must align before spoofing works. You now connect your iPhone to the computer and accept the trust prompt. This allows the desktop tool to push a virtual location. Next, open the spoofing app and enter the target coordinates or pick a saved place. Precision matters, so use decimal degrees for accuracy. Then start the virtual location session and watch Control Center for the blue location indicator. Make sure to keep the connection stable. If the indicator blinks or changes, stop and reapply the virtual fix to avoid mixed signals. You finish by confirming the new position in Maps and any apps that rely on GPS. Close and reopen those apps if they still show the old location. If an app reverts, toggle location services off and on, then relaunch the spoofing session. This forces iOS to reevaluate permissions. If problems persist, restart the phone or reconnect the computer. Finally, when you're done, revoke device trust and uninstall the desktop tool for security, because persistent spoofing tools can be a privacy risk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.